limitless competition. Everyone is searching for peace, purpose, and direction.
Everyone is struggling very much hard to earn a livelihood. Everyone wants a successful career in their lives, to become a millionaire, to develop a strong leadership, and to fulfill the dreams of their parents they have envisioned for them.
But the question arises is it really possible in this world which is full of distraction and where our mind is constantly diverted from our goals?
The students are coming from their homes, leaving behind their families, and the families are expecting that their children will do in the best in their lives. But due to bad association and lack of well education, they are diverting from their path, and they're creating so much pain, not in just their lives, but in their family's life too.
And that is where value education comes in, guiding us to control our mind, stay focused, and build a life rooted in discipline, wisdom, and true success.
Success doesn't end with getting admission into a college. It is a lifelong journey to become a better human being.
Have you ever think why there are so many doctors, IITs, even toppers commit suicide, even they are said to be very intelligent. This is just because of lack of value education in their life.
And for this sake, the SAR is organizing a very wonderful value education contest, and that is Pragya, a truly based on Bhagavad Gita.
This Bhagavad Gita is not just a religious book, it is our manual of life. Bhagavad Gita says,
Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita.
I read a lot of Gita.
कृष्ण जी की भगवद गीता सुन
Bhagavad Gita has been important to me.
Definitely Gita Maya.
इसके अलावा ये कहना चाहूंगा कि आप भगवद गीता की बात कर रहे थे, मैं एक पॉकेट गीता रखता हूँ अपने पास। जब भी जीवन में कुछ संकट आता है तो मैं बस कोई भी पेज उठाकर पढ़ लेता हूँ, तो आज ये कंट्रोल आपके मन में आ जाता है।
ये श्रीमद् भगवद गीता को राष्ट्रीय पुस्तक घोषित किया जाए।
You can learn so many things from it, whether it be character building, leadership qualities, self-discipline, control of your mind, strong focus, and being free from stress, anxiety, frustration, smoking, many more.
Believe me, guys, this contest is going to change your entire life.
And yes, exciting prizes await all the top winners. There will be special trophy for the best performing college, certificates for all the participants, 50 consolation prizes, career counseling, and much more. And this Pragya contest is very simple and easy, divided into two rounds. The first round will be an open book online test, where students just need to find the answers directly from the Bhagavad Gita and submit them online. The second round will be a closed book assessment, where the qualified students will appear for an offline exam.
इस क्रम का ये कार्यक्रम मेरे लिए व्यक्तिगत रूप से बहुत महत्वपूर्ण सिद्ध हुआ।
I had prepared using the Bhagavad Gita. I had Krishna at home, so it was really fun and really interesting to attend and all this.
गीता के अध्ययन से जो सुपरिवर्तन मुझ में हुई, उनकी व्याख्या शब्दों के माध्यम से संभव नहीं है। Let's register and grab this opportunity. It is especially designed for your growth, success, and your inner happiness.